answer is 12. Friends, in these two numbers also which is big number? Very good friends, it is 7. 7 in my 6 fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our answer is 13. Friends, 8 plus 0, nothing. So we should write 8. Now I am going to explain second method. Friends, in these two numbers, which is small number? Yes, right friends, it is 3. So we should wear here 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer also 7. Friends, in these two numbers, which is small number? 5. Right here, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer 12. Right here, 12. Friends, in these two numbers, which is small number? Very good friends, it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our answer also